Welcome to this introduction on solar panel certifications. My name is Driekes from the blog Sinovoltaics.com, and together with my colleague Niklas, I recently published a report called A Comprehensive Guide to Solar Photovoltaic Certification. The coming 5 minutes we will give you an introduction to PV module certifications and will tell you about the following topic. Why do we need PV certifications? How does the process work and what are the certification bodies involved? And as a PV expert, what are the main international, country-specific and environmental certifications that you should know about? Most people in the PV industry see certifications as a reference of trust because they stand for certain safety, quality and performance standards. Besides that, certifications have become a legal entry barrier in many countries. So, can PV certifications be trusted blindly? And are certified solar panels always of excellent quality? The answer, unfortunately, is no. So let's continue with the certification bodies that issue the certifications to factories. Most PV module manufacturers will contact either the German bodies TÜV Rheinland, TÜV Süd or VDE. The less frequently used options are the Swiss SGS, the French Bureau Veritas and the American Intertek. These major certification bodies own the labs in which new solar products can be tested. The certification of a PV module is a multi-level process and may take several months before completion. Let's have a quick look at that certification process. It's usually the PV manufacturer that submits a new solar product with a certification body. A factory needs to submit solar panel samples, documentation, and the certification body will perform a factory audit. After this, the certification body will start accelerated lab tests that will be executed over a period of 3 to 6 months' time. To give an example of these tests, a common one are the climate chamber tests, in which they simulate extreme weather circumstances. Another one is the mechanical load test, to simulate wind and snow load. When a dozen of these tests are successfully passed, the PV certifications can be issued. Let's have a look at the international certifications. The main ones are the IEC 61215 for the aging of PV modules, 61646, which is similar but then for thin film modules, IEC 61730 for electrical safety qualifications, and IEC 62108 for CPV, and there are many more. Besides the international certifications, there are many country-specific certifications. To name a few of them: CEC for Australia, INMETRO in Brazil, JET in Japan, NRE in South Korea, CNS in Taiwan, and as you probably know, there are many more. Finally, there are standards related to the ecological conformity of PV modules. We divide them in 3 categories. The first one are the environmental certifications, second recycling schemes such as PV Cycle, and the third one are the environmental regulations such as the WEEE directives. If this information was useful and you want to learn more about PV certifications, I recommend you to download the report called A Comprehensive Guide to Solar Photovoltaic Certifications. This report is the first and only complete guide on solar panel certifications and is a must-read for any PV expert. It's a comprehensive 200-page explanatory guide which will make you an instant expert on PV certifications. You will discover everything about international, country-specific and environmental certifications. The report will give you a complete understanding about the certification bodies and highlights the lab tests that they perform. After reading the report, you will be able to assess the significance, advantages and loopholes of recycling schemes related to solar PV modules. Finally, the report will help you to identify scams and avoid the pitfalls, such as identifying fake certifications when you purchase solar panels. The guide is now available for a temporary introduction price of $97. Thank you very much for listening to this introduction on PV certifications. Until next time.